चलती गाड़ी से मेरा फोन बाहर फेंक दिया, you moron.
I have kissed a stranger.
Did Vishant act?
Yes,
Has he acted?
Smart. That's what he does.
Acting CEO.
People have exes. Aisas has cruise.
What is the weirdest pickup line somebody's used on you?
Are you tired because I am treadmill?
ये काली काली आंखें, गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल.
Hi guys, this is Pari and I have the team of Mismatched, the always exciting, energetic team of Mismatched. Hi guys! I want to tell everybody who's watching this interview that I have an advantage over you because I have watched 3 episodes of season 3 already.
You have an
At this
advantage
point,
over us
all of us.
Oh, you haven't watched
I haven't seen a thing.
So guys, what do you think? How has the show come out?
You tell us. You watch.
What
We
do
have
you
not
think?
watched.
I loved it. Also the fact that आजकल rom-coms इतने कम हो गए हैं. तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आया. And I should just say that there's more love and there's more heat this time. Guys, how interesting was it to shoot all those like really nice steamy, heaty scenes?
Very nice. I
So
enjoyed
fun.
it.
Loved it.
What did you say?
Can I tell you one story? Which
Please
is funny?
बताओ.
I don't think you know
insist
this.
only you can tell the story.
So,
What is the story?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
You hear
You
this
will
out.
also
So my
find
first,
मजा आ गया. ये बंदा था क्या? Sorry.
so my first like. So when I read the script, I saw obviously there were lots of like making out scenes with Taro, and I've not made out with someone so much on screen.
Thanks for putting that at the end. Okay.
So I was very nervous about it. And very awkward, and because Taruk and I are friends, so to do this with him, at first I was feeling it's going to be very awkward. My first kissing scene with him, like the first one, was the one that you see in the trailer where he has 200 roses.
Yeah.
And I go and I hug him, and that's when we like.
Yes.
And he's like, क्या 200 दिन के बाद एक किस तो बनती है.
हाँ.
And that's when I was saying and this was done only in one take, and this was like a tracking shot, and we are making out. And I'm a very awkward person in life, okay? So when I'm awkward, I say something that I don't think of.
That's your
Without
defense
thinking.
mechanism.
That's my,
Yeah.
So cut to it. We get apart, and the first thing I say is like, मजा आ गया.
और जोर से
बहुत जोर से like
जोर से पूरे set पे.
There's 100 extras in it. Like मजा आ गया. And then Taruk is like, whatever you have in some things need to be in your head only. You don't need to say it out loud.
It's like a video of me and Prajakta where after kissing I said, "Chakde patte."
Yeah, that was the first season, first kiss. You had kissed once before.
Yeah, I had,
before
yeah.
that was my first ever on-screen kiss. और हमारी
Band बजी हुई थी because बजी हुई थी अब क्या ही बोले.
हाँ,
Yeah,
मतलब
it's-
बहुत nervous थे हम. मतलब हम and also ना it's one of those things ना कि I know he's trying to make things comfortable, but at the same time he's also very awkward. He knows that I am trying to normalize and be all chill, but I am very awkward. So
Yeah.
somehow every time we would walk into each other, we would say, "Mint खाएगा?" After a part, I was like, "Is there a reason why he's saying that many times?"
Okay, so this is going to be a fun chat. We are going to have a segment. It's called Spill the Coffee because बहुत coffee spill हुई है. So we're not spilling the tea here. We're spilling the coffee. Okay. So these are few chits. Each one of you will pick a chit. There is a statement on each of these chits which has been said by either one of you.
Oh boy.
So
You
you
have to
have to
guess who
pick a
said it?
chit and you have to
Guess who
match
said it.
that statement to whoever you think has said it.
Got it.
And if you get it right, it's a
Sweet.
match. If you don't, it's a
Sweet,
mismatch.
very nice.
Ready?
This is a fun
Yeah.
game. Yeah.
Okay, so we will
I'm gonna
start, pass the ball, and let's start with you, Ehsas.
I can't sit in a room and be quiet for a minute. I am very loud.
Who do you think could have said this?
It's just the 4 of us.
Yeah.
Okay. I have not said this. Have I said this? I've said this.
Yes.
That statement screams Ehsas Chana.
Where did I say this?
Yeah, you
In
said
this interview,
this.
some-
No. You've said this.
Not in
like,
this interview.
some
She didn't
No,
magically.
I,
write it.
with an interview with her
No,
in the
it was
past.
not with me.
I can't sit in a room and be quiet for a minute. I'm a very loud person.
Yeah. And
must have
this
said
is an old interview, I think. It was like 4 or 5
Also,
years
this
ago.
is like anything we've ever said.
Yeah.
Yes!
That's why I don't remember, no?
These are
Feeling
things you
very.
said.
What all have I said?
It's like you're standing in a Katgara.
Okay,
God.
Taru, come on, pick it up.
There's just hope.
This is so
They've
funny.
been kind to us.
अब अगर गाली निकली तारो
Stolen slip-ons from hotels, it's you.
ये इतनी जल्दी कैसे आ गया भाई?
नहीं, but तू ही करता है ये.
मैं करता हूँ तो क्या मतलब है? एक बार I stole slippers and one time
and that time
rope.
rope
Yeah, no, that
Oh,
I
rope
I
also?
have.
You walked out with the rope?
In the room.
No, in the rope.
बेफिक्रे थोड़े नहीं है भाई ये पिक्चर. नहीं.
Yeah,
That's
that was a
fun,
match. That was fun.
Good,
Okay,
good.
okay, next.
My pet peeve when people bang doors.
yeah that's me
That's amazing. I love it. How you're guessing it in one go, guys. Amazing. Okay.
I would love to be a part of कुछ कुछ होता है remake एहसास
Did I say this?
no
I didn't say this.
you said this
अबे idiot, you said it.
I have said this
No.
Who said
You said it.
when did you say this
I love it how guys तुम लोग बोल के भूल जाते हो. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
I remember this interview now.
Okay, I want to ask the girls. Who would you pick, Aman or Rahul?
Oh shit.
Aman
I would pick Aman because he didn't choose me in the first place.
Yeah.
I can't give him a second.
and I
chance
pick
just
Aman
because I
right
got pretty.
yeah
That's right.
yeah
That's right.
I
Boys, do you
pick
disagree?
Aman because I think everyone should pick Aman, and one way to pick Aman is by picking
This
up my
I'm not
book,
saying.
which will be available
For
to
sure.
buy.
Nice.
Whoa, that
The
was a
main
nice
character is
plug
called
in.
Aman Raina.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have got a lot of comments about things that can be done on my forehead. This is you?
This is
It's a wide one.
So do I. Hey,
You said
What can people think they can do on your forehead?
whatever.
Ride a bike.
Ride a bike, anda fry karo,
Land in airplane.
land in
Land
airplane,
airplane.
play carom.
Skateboard.
She thinks
I have not watched Friends.
I have.
1 second.
You've not watched Friends? That's fine. We're not-
I've not said anything. But is
Yeah,
that
you
the
have to
answer?
like
line.
guess.
You've said it.
Arey?
It's
I
to
think he was
guess.
still about to guess it.
But all of us have to guess, na?
Oh.
No.
One of us
Just
has
pass
only
our
he had to
hand.
guess.
Who do
To
you think,
control
Taru?
your reactions.
you.
But he was looking at you only and
Yeah.
saying you've not watched
Yeah.
Friends.
Yeah.
That's
No, but
okay.
because I know that they have watched Friends. Come on.
Okay,
So
fine.
that's okay. There's no judgment there.
Uh,
Have you still
is
not
it
watched
this?
it?
1 second. No.
Okay.
Is this
No, you
correct?
said
Yeah.
used hai na? Nahi?
Oh, I'm a huge fan of Varun Dhawan.
Who has said this? You
I have to say,
guess.
oh yeah. Sorry, I only said it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are a fan of Varun Dhawan?
Of course. Yeah.
And now he's shooting with him.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can mimic Hrithik Roshan.
We know who that is.
Who that
I think
is?
it's Raina.
Yes, that was me.
Please थोड़ा सा डेमो
It's
दो हमें.
not funny.
Please एक डेमो दो हमें.
चलती गाड़ी से मेरा फोन बाहर फेंक दिया, you moron.
Wow. That's nice.
That's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice.
Just not funny, but
मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ इन्वॉल्व होना was not funny.
Yeah. Good.
Ehsas.
Okay. Back to you, Ehsas. I'm loving it.
This is a really fun game. Huh?
Yeah, I like this game.
And we've never played this before.
yeah.
Yeah, thankfully.
I have
Something new
injured
for you guys.
myself while trying to impress someone I was interested in.
Who do you think?
You're
कौन
looking
कर
for
सकता है?
injuries?
कौन कर
Scanning.
सकता है तीनों?
Rohit?
No, I haven't said it.
Taruk? Taruk.
Have I?
Yes.
I have not said this.
You have said this.
Taruk
that
has
you
said this, no?
injured yourself. What happened now?
No,
Tell us.
listen,
I don't know what
this
happened.
sounds really dark. I haven't.
No, but you said this.
Yeah.
You said this in an
Technically,
interview.
Taruk, we had a conversation over lunch which literally
Yeah.
proves this point.
Oh, no. They,
I think it was something about how you jumped over a wall and fell or something like that.
yes, I could do this.
I could do this, he's saying.
You
okay.
have.
I have. If I get the opportunity to go on a dinner date with an actress, it would be Madhuri. It's you, right? I mean, it's not me, so it's him.
Has he said this?
Yes, he has said this.
Did you say it?
I did.
Okay, but I think you also said this.
Really?
Yeah.
You can both go.
Yeah.
Carpool kar lo.
Carpool kar lo, she's saying. Okay, Rohit, come on.
My birth date is 5th August.
It's none of us. So
Aizaz? Yes, it is.
I mean, no, I know.
Did you guys know this?
No, I know.
Guys,
One second.
Very bad,
No,
Rohit, very
I
bad.
one second. I know their birthdays. I didn't know yours, so now I know. Sorry.
I can draw really well. Rohit.
Any-ish.
who said this?
Rohit.
No, Rohit has
What?
not said
What?
this.
What?
I would never say it.
What is
What
it?
is
You can't draw well?
I can draw very well, but I will not say it.
Oh,
But
just said it.
you, but it's not a future.
I can draw
Who will
well.
say it is
Yeah,
not
he's
the
not
game.
said this.
Okay, so he's the only one I know who draws. Do you also draw? Who
But
draws?
delusion का क्या है भाई? वो तो किसी में भी हो
No,
सकती
but
है.
it's right. Ehsas has said this.
No, I can draw. I was lying.
What?
I can
You
actually.
said I can draw
I can
well.
actually imagine her saying it. Also. Yeah, I can draw very well. You know.
You've also
I-
said I can do painting and stuff very well.
Ehsas?
Yeah, I will
Can
show
I tell you
you.
something? I love playing this game, but only I love playing this game with ehsas.
But one second. Show me
I will
this.
show
I
you
don't
the
remember this interview. I can never. Listen, I'm very self-aware. Drawing के लिए I can lie, but painting I can't
But
do.
you said I can draw and
मतलब-
paint very
Maybe
well.
it means
and
like walls and shit. That doesn't require precision.
I can paint my face very well. Makeup. I
Makeup,
can.
huh? See?
I have kissed a stranger.
I have said this.
I'm dying to know who said this.
Who said this?
What do you guys think?
I think
It could be either of them. I'm right now leaning more towards ehsas,
Okay.
but it could also very well be
it could be
Taro.
Taro.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't. I listen. Half of the things I don't remember I've said.
Taruk, what do you think?
I don't know.
I might have said
Have
something.
you?
No.
You have said this.
Oh, thank God.
Shit, really? He has?
Yes.
Oh,
Must be a dog that I met.
Shut
What?
up.
It has to be an adorable puppy that I kissed and I
oh
couldn't.
thank you, bro.
Like,
That's nice of you. Thank
No, you've said this. What were you doing in that interview then? You don't like. Have you lied?
I was talking about a dog.
Acha, okay.
you. Nice damage control.
Nice. Okay.
I can cook amazing palak paneer.
I can.
Yeah, I do.
Yes, it is Prajakta. Yes.
I forgot my lines in front of Rishi Kapoor. Why do you not go prepared then?
No, bro, it wasn't like that.
Absolutely not.
No.
Bab-
Listen, I don't forget lines. Okay, I forgot that. I didn't forget it.
You panicked.
I panicked. Okay.
Yeah. That's-
So this was very initial when we were shooting Sharma Ji, and it was one of the. I think it was the first time I was like doing a conversation
yeah.
scene with him. I got a little intimidated.
it's very intimidating,
Also, in that take, I was so awestruck by the way he did it. I zoned out and went like, wow. So it was like a,
Kya chhed
Kya-
hai?
yeah, like, it was like a wow. And then he's looking at me saying,
अबे बोलना नहीं.
and I was like, and somehow like my director was really sweet. He covered it up saying kuch technical ho gaya, and he was like, just breathe, do not lose your mind.
This is amazing. I mean, anybody could have been mesmerized and
Yeah.
fascinated by it.
No, after that it didn't happen, and
Yeah,
it was,
of course.
it's not a line that I had to forget. It was one word.
Right,
Like
right.
I just couldn't say it.
Yeah.
Right. Guys, has this happened with any one of you? Have you like forgotten or been so awestruck by seeing somebody कि आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे zone out हो गए हो? When
Yeah,
you're
it
working
happened once this season when I was shooting a debate with Prajakta where I couldn't say one line. We went on to
I don't
take
think
number 18.
awestruck was the
Yeah, I was
problem
awestruck only. I was so awestruck by Prajakta and debating against her that I did not get my line even once. It was what, take number 18? 19?
16.
16 takes. अच्छा वो
Yeah.
जो debate होती है the LLIT
yeah,
and the
yeah,
NNID
yeah.
debate.
Also, that is also because it was a long, constant
God.
shot of panning.
Okay.
Like
And some
otherwise,
really
तो हो
crazy words.
Big words.
Yeah.
Hmm.
For the longest time, my dream character was Geet from Jab We Met.
It's
It is Ehsaas. Really? Is she still your dream character?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Absolutely. Yes.
Oh, we have last 4.
Yes.
Wow,
Yeah.
good.
So it's the last round.
I can sleep anywhere. I think I've said this because I can.
I love the unsurety there.
But I see that the statement is true, but I don't know if I said this. I don't remember.
Okay, who else besides you can say this?
Rohit, can you sleep anywhere?
Are you saying that it's me? I'm not gonna help you, buddy.
I think if I've not said this, then Rohit has said this.
Okay, no, you're.
मुझे तो मेरे खुद के बेड पे भी नींद नहीं आती. मैं
Oh, shit.
anywhere कहाँ
ठीक है,
सोऊंगा?
ठीक है.
It's a mismatch because it was Prajakta.
Damn it.
Yeah.
You can sleep anywhere?
She said,
Hey, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
बाहर जाके बेंच पे सोए.
We can be Joey and
यहाँ सो
Ross.
जाए? Oh yeah.
We should do a nap date.
Yeah.
"Oh, that was
I would know if I watched
cute."
it.
Let's nap.
Yes.
Literally, let's nap
I'm
together.
down for it always. And then get up and have a coffee.
Well, you and I, let's be owl together. Let's be owls together.
Bro, we have.
Taruk, okay.
I have never dated an actor.
I like how Ehsaas is thinking.
Prajakta.
Prajakta has said this.
I mean.
Okay.
I mean, she's.
Did Vishant act?
Yes,
Has he acted?
smart. That's what he does.
Acting CEO.
Nice.
Nice. Good one.
Good one, good one, good one. No, Prajakta has not said this.
But that is a
I
lie.
love your
Why are you
self-doubt, Taruk. No, you have not said it.
No, I have not
You
said
said
it.
this?
No.
Then why are you banging?
Ehsaas.
Ehsaas is the correct answer. She has said she's never dated.
An actor.
It's still true, no?
Which actor I've dated with? I've never
Wow.
dated an actor, Rohit. Only director and everybody but actors.
I love you,
People have
Ehsaas.
access. She has cruise.
He's amazing. Did you listen to what Taruk did he say? And film
People have exes. Ehsaas has cruise.
Listen, my mother's going to watch this interview.
Right.
अरे यार ये तो मैंने ही बोला था. A fan once told me अगर मैं ग्रहण होती तो मैं तुम पे लग जाती.
Hey, Bhagwan.
Now that's a good pickup line.
It's horrible.
Horrible.
I don't know if it's
You're right. You really don't know.
Guys, at this point, I want to like ask each one of you, what is the weirdest pickup line somebody's used on you?
Are you tired because I am treadmill?
Have you used or somebody's used it? You have used
She
it.
said.
Somebody's using
And she said it like this. Are you tired because I'm treadmill.
You're running on my your treadmill.
You went to say you're running on my mind. Achha, okay, nice. Taruk, weirdest pickup line.
I don't think I've got a very weird pickup line.
Okay.
Have you
What
heard this?
you have?
Is your dad a terrorist because you're born?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what's a new one I've heard, but it's dirty, so I'll say it later.
No, say
They'll
it.
they'll beep it. Say it.
No.
No, there's no dirty words in it.
They'll use this as intro. Say it.
No. It says that are you jealous of my heart because it's pounding inside me, and you're not.
Sorry?
That's okay.
Yeah.
मेरा मतलब नहीं
Are you jealous of my heart because it's pounding inside me?
Come
and
on.
you're not.
This is not dirty.
And you're not.
And you are
And
not.
you are not. Last May.
Oh. that yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Okay.
चल पढ़.
I was 5 when I went on a stage for the first time.
I think it's Taru.
मैंने बोला है. हाँ.
Yes.
Oh, अच्छा. 3?
How?
नहीं,
How old were you?
कम से कम 8.
कम से कम 8. Okay. You were
क्या
5
कर रही
when
थी
you
stage
first.
Dance.
Oh, which song do you remember?
पेड़ बन के.
Was it Des Rangila Rangila Des Mera Rangila?
हाँ, no. देश रंगीला तो मैं बहुत बड़ी थी यार, but I was Lakshman.
What?
Oh.
What did you
I
dance
did
to?
Bharatnatyam, so there was a play. I was Lakshman.
Ah, nice.
Oh, nice. I remember my first stage performance. I had become a butterfly.
Nice.
Ah.
Oh.
तितली बनी थी मैं.
Dance like butterfly?
तितली बनकर कोई तो गाना था, भूल गई मैं कौन सा.
Steps याद है?
थोड़े थोड़े.
करके दिखाओ.
अरे.
हाथ साइड पे थे या पीछे? अच्छा. Acha, in your performance,
Yeah.
did you become the Titli or were you already? Did you break out of your
Like,
shell?
were
as
you
a-
I was
Yeah.
already the Titli.
Oh.
I was wearing like wings, Titli wings.
ठीक है, मेरे को अब clear है.
Nice.
अच्छा हुआ हमने ये डिस्कस कर लिया अच्छे से.
हाँ. But this was fun. Oh my god, we got to know so much
Listen,
about each one of
genuinely,
you.
this is a
Very
great,
fun.
It's a
very
very good
fun
game.
game.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks.
And
Nice,
very new
nice.
also.
Yes,
Nicely
I-
conceptualized.
Guys, did you get to know a lot about yourselves also today?
Yeah,
And
I got to know a lot about Essas.
Actually, yeah.
I am a fan.
Okay, I think we have to end with a song by Taruk. Sorry, Taruk.
No,
I
no, no.
can't
Arey.
do anything new with this.
No, listen, I don't want to do anything else.
Okay, please sing for us.
कुछ तो कहो कुछ तो सुनो टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते कहीं तो मिलो डर लगता है हम जिद किए बातों से अब न रुकेंगे अब ना मिलेंगे ना सुनेंगे अब ना रुकेंगे अब ना झुकेंगे पर 2 दिन के बाद हम डरते हैं 2 दिन के बाद हम मरते हैं 2 दिन के बाद खुद से बातें करते हैं 2 दिन के बाद हमसे प्यार करते हैं.
Oh, beautiful. Can I make a request?
Yes.
Can you sing any of your other favorite song that we can sing along with you?
Yes,
Let's
I
end
can.
with that.
I can.
ये काली काली आंखें गोरे गोरे गाल ये तीखी तीखी नजरें ये हिरनी जैसी चाल देखा जो तुमको जानम हुआ है बुरा हाल ये काली काली आंखें ये गोरे गोरे गाल ये तीखी तीखी नजरें ये हिरनी जैसी चाल.
Woohoo! Vibe, mahol, and that is exactly the vibe that you'll pick on if you watch Miss Match Season 2! Thank you so much, guys. You're always so fun, and I just like all hearts to you for keeping your energy high all the time after giving multiple interviews, after probably saying the same things all over again. You guys are the sweetest, and all the very best to you.
No, dude, we had
No,
a
but
great
yeah,
time.
Huge.
Really, thank you for making this
This so
so
fun.
fun.
Yeah.
I think
And like we didn't even feel like it was an interview.
Yeah, it
and
was just like a chat.
yeah.
It was
Yeah.
damn fun.
Radio Nasha.